Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about hyperlink, internal linking, and external linking. So basically, there are two types: internal linking and external linking. So first we discuss external linking, then internal linking. Okay, so hyperlink we already used in a previous video. Okay, so here I'm go to simple file section and create a folder inside the desktop, and then I create a one file .html extension. Okay, so this is the basic thing. You have to do this first. Then you have to simple come here and click here, and your basic code is comes here. Now we talk about the external linking. So external linking, like when you are giving the URL, and when you click the that particular URL and you redirect the another page. Like suppose that you are give the google.com, and you click that, and you redirect the google.com. So that is the external linking. Okay, and internal, when you are click the URL and you are land the same page on particular section. So that is the your internal linking. Meaning in name, external means externally, and internal means internally. So let's see. So like I'm taking here H1 heading, external linking. Okay, and then you have to take a anchor. Suppose that we redirect to any website name like GFG. Okay, so we have to copy this URL of GFG and paste here. Okay, and here write something. Click here to redirect of on GFG website. Okay, save this. Now you have to right click and click open with live server, and now you can see this. This is the heading, H1 heading, and when you click here, this is the okay. So it's redirect to GFG website. So this is the external linking. This is the one page, and when you click here, you are redirect to another page. So that is the external linking. And suppose that when we click here and we cannot redirect to another page, we simply redirect this page only, some section, another section. That is the internal link. Let me uh, show you. Like suppose that I'm taking here adding first, right here internal linking. Okay, here take something like AHRF and give here section 1. You have to take here a hash, and here you have to take ID equal to section 2. Okay, right here something, click here to go to bottom. Okay, and now you are give here a section 2 ID. So basically when you click this button, you redirect to section 2. So we have to define the section 2 in bottom, so we redirect over there. So we have to take the data first. Okay, so I'm taking here some paragraph something, lower thing, and then we take h2 thing, and take here 1000, and again take paragraph. Here, okay, this is the take the data something, some data, so we understand better. Okay, now we are take here section 1 and section 2. ID is equal to section 2. So we have to need a section 2 first defined. So href, here we define the section 2. Okay, so when we click here, this, so we redirect to here bottom, this one link. Okay, now suppose I want to when I click here bottom, we have to redirect to this one in top. So we have to take a id is equal to what we take here, we take here simple section 1. I'm take here section 1, and here I'm taking click here to redirect, click here to go to top. Okay, okay, now here we have defined the section 2 id, and we call here, and then we are defined here section 1 id. When you click here, call this one. Okay, so let's right click and open the live server. Okay, as you can see, this is the this something data is comes here. Okay, so this is the heading, we already and this is the paragraph something, and this is the one link, and this is the another link. Go to top and go to bottom, go to bottom. So now you have to see here, be carefully. When you click here, we redirect to bottom, like like this. Okay, when we click here, we redirect to top. So this is the internal linking. We redirect only same page. We are not redirecting to another page. Okay, so this is the basic things. You can take the css also. You can mostly see this different website. When you are reading the website and going to down, and then you want to go to a home page, so you simply click the that button, and you redirect to home. So that's simple. You direct, going to top. So that is the your internal linking. And when you are collect that and you redirect to another web page, so that is your external linking. So this is the basic thing. I think I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.